In a world filled with color, fragrance, and flavors, there exists a silent, humble element, water. It is colorless, odorless, and tasteless, yet it is the essence of life, equally shared among all living beings. This is a story of a small village named Serene Valley. Nestled between lush green hills and flowing rivers, the village was blessed with abundant water. The villagers revered it, understanding its value beyond the mundane. One day, a wise elder gathered the villagers around the ancient well at the center of the village. "Look at this water," he said, holding up a clear cup. "It has no color, no smell, no taste. Yet it nourishes us all. It is a gift from nature, given to everyone equally, without bias." The villagers listened intently as the elder continued. "Water teaches us a profound lesson. Just as it flows freely and unconditionally to every plant, animal, and human, so should our kindness and compassion flow. We must learn to see beyond differences and understand that at our core, we are all the same." One evening, a severe drought struck Serene Valley. The rivers dried up and the wells ran low. Fear gripped the hearts of the villagers. Yet in this time of crisis, they remembered the elders' words. They decided to come together, pooling their resources and sharing the scarce water they had. Each family took only what they needed, ensuring everyone had enough. They helped one another, whether it was carrying water from distant sources or sharing knowledge on conserving it. Their unity and selflessness transformed the crisis into a testament of their strength and solidarity. As weeks passed, the rains finally returned, filling the rivers and wells once more. The village rejoiced, but they never forgot the lesson the drought had taught them. They continued to live with the understanding that, like water, their compassion should be boundless and impartial. Years later, as the village thrived, a traveler arrived. He was astonished by the harmony and cooperation among the villagers. Curious, he asked the elder, "What is the secret to your unity?" The elder smiled and replied, "We learned it from water. Just as water is colorless, odorless, and tasteless, yet vital for life, so is our compassion. It is a gift we all share, and it binds us together in harmony." In the vast tapestry of life, water stands as a symbol of unity and balance. It reminds us that true strength lies in our ability to see beyond differences and to share our resources and compassion freely. Let us embrace the wisdom of water and let our kindness flow without bias, nourishing every soul we encounter. For in doing so, we create a world where harmony and understanding flourish.